Welcome to Tuesday weather forecast. On Tuesday morning, cloudy conditions with some light drizzle around the eastern escarpment. Then later, a band of cloud moving over parts of the Northern Cape and the Karoo. Beneath that band, we are expecting isolated showers and thunderstorms, with isolated thunderstorms over the central parts of the country as well as in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Highveld. Some light showers into the evening possible along the southern coast and the adjacent interior. Then that isolated showers and thunderstorms that I mentioned earlier, isolated showers and thunderstorms in KwaZulu-Natal, and then isolated thunderstorms moving over parts of the Northern Cape, northwest the Free State, Gauteng, as well as the Highveld, with drizzle along the eastern escarpment on Tuesday morning. An average PV harvest expected over most parts of the country this Tuesday, with a poor PV harvest along the southern coast, here in parts of the Northern and Eastern Cape and around the eastern parts of the country. Northeasterly winds still blowing fresh to strong along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal on Tuesday morning, with southeasterly winds blowing fresh along the southwestern coast, becoming windy over the western and central parts of the country, where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, so please be careful in those areas. In the Western Cape, foggy conditions at first over parts of the province. Later, it will be mostly sunny and warm to hot across the province, with temperatures above 30 over the interior. An onshore flow of air can bring some light showers to parts of the Overberg. Later, the Garden Route with temperatures in the mid-20s here, but warming up in the Karoo with temperatures above 30, 32 the afternoon in Graaff-Reinet and partly cloudy skies. Heatwave conditions persisting in parts of the Eastern Cape. Later, isolated thunderstorms possible around the escarpment, with some of the thunderstorms later moving over the coastal areas and northeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong between Port St. John's and East London. In KwaZulu-Natal, it will be a warmer day with 32 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg. Northeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong along the coast, with isolated showers and thunderstorms mainly around the escarpment, but some of these storms can later also move over the coastal areas. In Mpumalanga, light drizzle around the escarpment with cloudy conditions at first. Later, isolated thunderstorms moving over the Highveld with temperatures here around 30. In Limpopo, we are expecting light drizzle in the morning around the escarpment in the vicinity of Senine and Thohoyandou, and then mostly sunny skies expected later with temperatures in the mid-30s, 36 afternoon in Balabala. In northwest, heatwave conditions persisting, windy at times over the southern areas, where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires and isolated thunderstorms later moving over the province. In the Northern Cape, another day of heatwave conditions for the central and eastern parts. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over the central areas as well as the northeastern areas, with 37 the afternoon in Portsmouthburg and Kimberley. In the Free State, heatwave conditions persisting with 35 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, southwesterly winds blowing fresh and the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. Later, isolated thunderstorms moving mainly over the northeastern areas. Another hot day in Gauteng with temperatures around 30, 31 in Johannesburg and isolated thunderstorms possible from the afternoon. Then on Wednesday and Thursday, we are expecting stormy conditions to move over the central parts of the country as well as the eastern parts of the country. On Wednesday, it will be much cooler now in KwaZulu-Natal as well as over the Highveld with 25 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg, but remaining hot on Wednesday and Thursday over the western parts of the country. We can see the stormy conditions yet again on Thursday, where it will be much cooler in Gauteng with only 26 in Johannesburg. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
The Stage 0 Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay